Hello and welcome to the trade setup. Today we are looking at target where we have a few scenarios. So the first one, to start with the simplest, would be the blue scenario, in which we finished an ending diagonal in a wave 1 that is formed of corrective structure, as in wave 1 an A, B, C, a wave 2, a wave 3 in A, B, C, a wave 4, and the wave 5 in A, B, C to complete the first wave, with the second wave to follow and that has the support zone starting from the lowest low and the all-time high. Now I will remove this from the chart because I don't want it to clutter too much, and until we break at least the yellow support zone, we are going to focus on that mostly. Alright, and then in the white count, we had a wave 1 that ended here instead, and then a very tiny wave 2, and then in the third wave, we completed a wave 1, wave 2, a wave 3, wave 4, and the fifth wave, with the third wave being complete and now working on the larger fourth wave that could end anywhere here in this support zone. And then we have the yellow count where we still had the same one with the tiny wave 2 here, and then we are exploring the idea that we had still a wave 1 and a wave 2 in the third wave here, but the third wave just finished instead of the entire larger third wave as in yellow, as in white, with the fourth wave in yellow now forming and the fifth wave to come to complete the larger third wave. Alright, we do see that we have this support zone for the yellow count, which is the nearest support zone that we have, and we also have on the chart most likely the wave A complete, the wave B to follow, and the wave C that is still in the making. Now in the white count, of course, I have to consider that we would go higher in wave B before we go further and finish the fourth wave in white. We could also do the same thing for yellow and have still this A, B, C and B in the yellow count instead, but that doesn't matter too much as long as we hold the support zone. For yellow, we could be either in white or in yellow scenario. Now closer in the third wave, in the wave C, we can see that we have likely formed, let me go smaller time frame, so we have formed a wave 1, possibly a wave 2, a wave 3 possibly complete, and then we would have had a wave 4 and the fifth wave to come. Of course, these can always extend, and the third wave could be going lower before we form the actual fourth wave, but the idea is that we are looking for at least one more low in the target zone, the support zone, which is between $86 and $23, or rather $24 or so, in that area. Now for targets, we have this ABC, and the ideal target for a wave C is the 100% extension of wave A, which would be around $69 to $70. We also have a price action support zone here, which could be quite useful when it comes there. We could go lower. Let me remind you that this is just an ideal target. We don't have to get there and we don't have to stop there, so we could end in the entire correction or the wave 4 here, or the wave A if it's the white count, or still the B count, doesn't matter too much. But yeah, consider that we get at least one more low, but I would say it's possible it could be the last low and the wave C could end. You have the support zone, you have, actually you don't have, let me add that, So the wave 4 in yellow resistance zone, which would need the 61.8% retracement. Now you have this resistance zone, and if we break this to the upside, I would consider that either the wave 4 in yellow finished here, or the wave A in white finished here at this latest low, if we break above that. If we go lower, I would be looking at targets, well, let's see. If this wave 4 is finished, I would be looking at targets towards $78. So ideally, we would have a couple more lows or a few more lows in discount, but it's not necessary. Just again, we don't have to get to the 100% extension of the wave A. It's just an ideal target. So you have the resistance, you have the support zones, and yeah, this is the trade setup. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe. Also, let me know what else you want me to cover, and I'll keep you updated on this chart and others, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.